exist, jihad of the believers. God, the demons, the Quran, Shiva, commandments, the covenant, the land where love exists. Handheld instructions for the world we are stuck in. Alien abductions, Area 51. It's the crazy ass assumptions that make me sick to my stomach. Maybe it's the corruption, the hatred, the loveless, the gangsters, the puppets, the rain or the sun, the pain of the shunned and the flame from the gun, the vein pumped with drugs, the drain filled with blood. Cain killed his brother, the shame, the gutters, the prey, the hunter. To this day I still wonder if they ever came under the impression that they all were just cynics with the sickness and no one was out to get them. It can't be a coincidence, maybe it is me. I'm not happy with the ignorance, but I came in peace, so let it be known that nobody gets along with the kid that's tripping on what the doctors give his mom. If I hit the bong, then I'm mischievous and wrong. Well, listen to this song, cause that's just what pissed them off. See, I won't give a fuck till my soul is lifted up to the heavens up above, and I no longer have to suffer. And I'ma hit the blunt until I know when it's enough. That's my choice, whether it's a downer or an upper. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. Adidas, McDonald's, and movie theaters, iPods, 2 liters, Yukons and Beamers, scandals, the government, the land where no trust exists, weapons of mass destruction in the US are the hustlers. Cause I could give a shit about the drink you're sipping, y'all. I wanna hear you spit the human that you're working on. Why do you need this? What are your reasons? Is your verse worth the air you breathe in? Why are you speaking, in essence teaching? But I swear to God I'm not preaching. What would Jesus say to Allah if he were to ever meet him? Religion's pimping the world, y'all, but what do you believe in? Why are we in Sudan fighting for their people's freedom? Liberation? You lied and half America doesn't see it. The type of war that you will never go and see on C-SPAN. Oh, there I go on that political MC shit. But when one human suffers, we all do, and it shouldn't be a secret. So don't get caught on hang-ups. The worst mistake that you could do is to think that you're free when nobody will ever be free until every single innocent inmate is free about their handcuffs. And I can't bust. Know the truth, speak the truth, be the truth. You're the truth, so just exist. Cause if you go ahead and do what you do, then the words will be fluent in speech in the way that you spit. And that's the free. That's the free. That's the free. That's the free.